Okay, when you want to record, click that button.
Okay. I'm gonna laugh.
Okay, we're going house to house asking people what kind of milk and other dairy products they have. Let's go find out what they have. Let's wait for them to visit. Hi. This is Ellie. She's my neighbor. Hey, we're doing a project for school asking what kind of dairy products people have.
Okay.
Can you help me out? What type of milk do you typically have in your household?
2%.
Okay. Then, how many gallons do you think you typically have in your household?
What?
And what other kind of dairy products do you typically have in your fridge? Do you have like cheese, yogurt,
Cheese and yogurt, probably.
ice cream?
No.
Any other kind of
No.
dairy products like pudding?
Not really.
Oh, okay. Thank you for your time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.